The global warming changes the pattern of precipitation in the world, and it is the most complex issue facing us today and directly affect our life. Question: how much climate change? Answer: that will be determined by how our emissions continue and exactly how our climate respond to those emissions. A problem that is itself a side effect of the climate change crisis and causes the time period of rainfall to be more distant from each other. But the intensity of this rainfall is multiplied. This will be the main reason of deadly floods in all parts of the world. As we all are witness, the Arabic countries are the best example in 2024. In the recent days, the statistics shows increases in the temperature of the weather in all parts of the world. It could be the hottest weather that mankind have never faced even in the thousands of years before. Many countries have expressed to concern about the global warming in the coming days. Some countries are also prepared to all their facilities in virus field, especially in first aid and other treatment. However, this crisis has at least three serious negative impacts on the human's life for 2024 and the next coming years. First, global warming or climate change causes change in the patterns of rainfall around the world. The problem is that is the crisis and it is cause of rainfall that are more distant from each other. But the intensity of the rainfall is not the same and occurs on deadly floods in all the corners of the world. And many analysts has previously discussed climate issue. The devastating flood in Arabic and many other countries that we witnessed this year and directly affected people, economic and social consequence. Many flights were delayed and cancelled. Second, the global warming or climate change crisis has seriously damaged the land's agriculture products, an issue that actually endangers human food security. In the midst of major crises in the world, such as the Ukraine war, which has greatly disrupted the process of grain production and supply in the world. Russia and Ukraine both are among the main grain producers in the world. Therefore, not only the food security of humans is endangered, but the price of the existing produced food will also increase significantly. The issue, especially in developing countries such as Egypt, which are already faced with a sharp increase in food, especially wheat, due to the war in Ukraine, will leave more serious effects. Third, the crisis of global warming greatly endanger the health of people in all parts of the world. In this regard, it should be noted that the underdeveloping and poor countries suffer more serious damage. Because the mechanisms related to the public welfare and general economic indicators are weak in these countries. This issue causes serious health damage to them. In this framework, the absence of protective laws for people in the workplace and not considering suitable working hours and appropriate to the adverse weather conditions, and at the same time the need of people to provide their livelihood and the inability to provide the necessary facilities for cooling and protecting their health. Due to the unprecedented increase in weather temperature in the current situation, it is possible that the level of damage for this group of countries will change from a challenge to a disaster. Therefore, it is necessary that the international responsible organizations also enter in serious way to help the poor and weak countries in facing the global warming crisis to prevent the human casualties. Our next video will be about responding to climate change. Let's work together and respond to the word climate change. Thanks for your time and watching.